Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about TOEFL reading rhetorical purpose questions today. I often call them purpose questions for short. Let's see an example of purpose questions. It's from TOEFLbank.com. I put a link in the description below. Check it out later. There's always a highlighted word in purpose questions. Here's candidate JS's proposal. So the first step is to locate the paragraph and find clues about the highlighted word. Then no need to read the answer choices right away. This step is very important. People often waste time checking the answer choices first. Purpose question actually asks you why the author mentions something, so you won't know the answer until you find clues in the passage. So after you locate the paragraph, go directly to the passage without checking the answer choices. Here's the first paragraph. Check the sentence before the highlighted word first. This is because the answer is usually hidden in the previous sentence. Then grab keywords like I did in other videos. Here keywords are forms, migration, differ among species. Complicated define. The next sentence indicates one of the most common definitions is candidate's proposal. You can see the connection now. Migration forms are hard to define, but candidate's proposal is one of the most common definitions. Why does the author mention candidate's proposal? Because it's the example to define migration forms. Now go check the answer choices. A. Emphasize behavior defines migration. No, because it doesn't emphasize behavior. It emphasizes migration definition. So A is wrong. B. Demonstrate behavior of animals upon migration. No, the author mentions candidate's proposal not because of animal behavior. So B is incorrect. C. Explain why migration is difficult to define. Yes, this is the meaning of the previous sentence, but candidate's proposal is the example to define migration. So C is wrong. D. Specify definition of animal migration. It's exactly what we conclude just now, so D is correct. As you can see, the main strategy for answering purpose questions is to figure out the relationship between the highlighted word and the sentences around it, especially the sentence before the highlighted word. Pay attention to transition words if there are any. Always ask yourself why the highlighted word needs to be there. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. See ya!